All right, and let's get right over to Idaho's Chief Meteorologist Rick Lantz, because Rick, you know, it's chilly out there. It's that time of year, but some places are seeing snow.
Has been chilly throughout the day, and it's been dry for most of Boise at this point, which is probably a surprise to most other spots in the state that happen to be getting snow. But I wanted to start out, show you the sunset for tonight, okay? Don't miss it. It's a beautiful sunset that we have for this evening, and you're probably missing this too if you look at the freeway, or at least a portion of the roads out there that are usually just filled right now. And of course, well, you know why, but anyway, as you look at this, not so much, but we do have a beautiful sunset for tonight. This is just to show you up around McCall. They didn't get much of the snow out of this last storm. However, in Twin Falls, it's a little bit different story. Thank you to Hugh, who sent out this picture showing some of the snow and about an inch to maybe 2 inches in spots. And then when you look at Sun Valley, there's some of the snow through there that they received earlier today. Not as much as what they had hoped for, but nonetheless, it's still there, and more could come down for tonight. Now, talking about the cold temperatures, here in the valley, we've got 44 degrees. Now, I have to point out Twin Falls, only 31 degrees, which is just about right for the snow to be coming down. So you can see the difference in the temperatures. And then I'm going to change over here to the winds. Winds are 17 miles an hour in Boise, 26 in Ontario, and then you see 9 miles an hour in Twin Falls. So always looking at the wind chill, it's 23 in Twin Falls right now. Boise has 36. So most of the temperatures in the valley are in the 30s with the wind chill, but in the lower 20s for most areas around the Magic Valley. Now for tonight, here's just kind of a look at some of the showers around the area. Boise could get just a very light shower. We're just on the western edges of this storm system. And if you look at the amounts of snow that's still possible overnight, possibly I'd say another 2 to 3 inches. This is showing about 3.5 inches of snow overnight and into tomorrow in the Twin Falls area. And over here in the Mountain Home, there's a possibility of some snow, but not much here in Boise, but we're very close. If you take a look here at the Futurecast, you'll see it moving just right along the edge here, just to our east. Now this is for this evening. You'll see still some rain, snow, Mountain Home, and then after that, you get into the snow moving down into Twin Falls. Here's tomorrow morning, here's tonight at 10 o'clock, and then as we continue, you see tomorrow morning, it starts to clear out just a bit. Nothing over here for Boise, but we're very close, so that's why we only say just a slight chance, but Nampa, Caldwell, really not as much. So here's the snow for tonight, and temperatures around freezing for highs tomorrow. Same thing in most mountain locations. Temperatures will not get much above freezing. As you look over here from McCall, Donnelly, temperatures will be somewhere in the mid-30s, not as much snow there. Down here in valley locations, we will stay mostly dry, and as you can see, the high temperature tomorrow in Boise will be 42 degrees. So the 7-day forecast, now these breezy conditions means wind chills that'll be down into the lower 30s. In fact, Twin Falls today had wind chills in the 20s for most of the day. As you look at this for the rest of the week and into next week, some of these cold temperatures at night drop down about 20. Even though we're dry, we're going to see highs into the 30s.